And welcome back. This is Scott with the Forex Group LLC. We're starting back here on our video number 2. We are currently in a live trade. We just wanted to get it going here to show you an actual live trade that we're currently in. Here's the ticket open at the bottom, and we're looking for 10 pips. We're looking for it to go down to 55.97. So we're looking for these numbers here, 55.97. This is your bid and ask price. And this is a video starting back up on earlier. We told you we were waiting for this to, let me zoom in here for you. Over here we were looking for the candles to come down and break the EMA, the exponential moving average. We're on a 15-minute chart. And once this candle here closed below the EMA and this candle here opened and broke the low of the previous candle, this was our signal to enter a sell trade at market price, which we are currently in. Down here at the bottom right hand corner you will see that we're currently live in the trade, and again we're waiting for the TP right here is set at 1.55979 is what we're looking for it to reach to take our 5 pip profit, which will give us a 500 USD profit because we are in 10 standard lots. And again, this is our scalping method. We only scalp to excuse me, to not have ourselves in the market exposed for an extended period of time. And as you'll be hearing us say in upcoming videos, we do not like long-term trades. We do not believe in them because you're just exposing yourself and your account too long to the market. And you'll hear us repeat many times, anything can happen. If there's any global news that comes out, such as a terrorist attack, anything like that, you could take a substantial loss. That is the main reason we do not believe in long-term trades. You'll have other traders, of course, that cold-heartedly believe in long-term. That's their choice. We don't do it. We're trying to preserve our equity, our margin. So we shoot for the scalping trades, and we like to be in and out as fast as possible. Well, while we're letting this run here, we're at 56.07 and we're looking for it to get down to 55.97.9. The trade will automatically clear out. You'll notice we don't have a stop loss here. Now, we are sitting here monitoring this trade with our finger on the trigger, ready to manually close this trade at any given time that need be. If you are trading, and especially if you are a newbie, unexperienced, we highly suggest and recommend you always use a stop loss, which is your SL, just to protect yourself for any errors. If you have a internet outage, computer problem, whatever, you will basically have yourself a safety net, because your information down here, your stop loss, your take profit, is all stored on your broker's server. So even if your computer shuts down and you got that stop loss in, you're somewhat protected. Your TP, it will still execute your TP or your stop loss if your computer's down or your internet goes down. We have backup internet here with our servers and our virtual server, so we don't worry about that. But again, please make sure to use a stop loss and your take profit. It's still running here. As you see, this is the area that it's currently trading in, and we're getting it down. We're negative only 1.8 pips now. This is another thing if you're kind of new to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform for your broker. Now when you see this down here, if it says 19, that's not minus 19, that would be 1.9. Like right now we're 1.2. That's not negative 12. As you see over here, I have a spread calculator that's telling you 1.8 points. Now that is your difference here between your bid and your ask price, and that changes with each broker. Everybody's is different. It fluctuates depending on your broker and what the spread is that they offer. And again, the spread is the difference between this and this. That's your spread between your difference of your bid and ask price. That is basically a commission that goes to your broker. You'll hear every Forex broker say that they don't have commissions. As far as we're concerned, that is a commission because they are getting that as soon as you place your trade. So again, while we're still waiting here, hopefully this is going to close out. As you see, it's 12:54 p.m. Pacific time down here bottom right of the screen. The London market is opening in 6 minutes. So we hope that we get this little bit of push down. We'll collect our 5 pips and our $500 profit. But again, while we're waiting on that, let me just go on here. Now we're using a Go Markets. They are in Australia. This is a demo account. We started it with $5,000 today. We made a $500 profit, and we're going to continue to do the moving average trading with this demo account on a daily basis for 30 days to see how high we can bring the balance to. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right now until we get our movement down, and then I'll restart it from where it left off. Okay, welcome back. It is now 12 a.m. continuing the pause from our video, and the London markets are just now opening at 12 a.m. Pacific time on 10/10/2011. We are currently in this trade. As you see, we are currently up 2.8 pips, 3 pips. We're shooting for 5. This again is the same trade that I explained earlier. We waited for this fall below the EMA, which is the exponential moving average, on the 15-minute chart. As you see there, boom, they're doing our order down here, closed out. That was another 5 pips, $500 profit. So 2 trades for today equals 1,000 US dollars in profit. And again, this was using the EMA exponential moving average, and I will quickly go over again. We waited for this trade here. It was above the moving average. We waited for this trade to fall down here. It breached the EMA and closed. The next candlestick opened and fell below the close of the previous trade, previous candle, excuse me, and that is our signal to enter the trade in a sell position. We did, and as you see, the following candle just opened at the hour. Because we're on a 15-minute chart, your candles change every 15 minutes. We use 15 minutes for our scalping technique because we're only shooting for 5 pip profit. So as you see, it went down. Our order was closed. I will go back down here at the bottom of the brokerage page for MetaTrader. I'll hit account history, and I will expand this so you can see the ticket orders. The opening balance was 5,000 US dollars. This was the trade we did earlier, was $500, and the trade that just closed right now on the hour at 12 a.m. Pacific time. This time is set on Australia time. So if you see the 0900 for time, that is Australia time. And if you look down at the bottom of my right hand corner of my screen, you'll see my current time. So there you have it. That trade closed out with $500 profit, and both these trades today on this account made the profit simply by using the strategy that I explained, using the EMA, the exponential moving average. If you would like these settings, what we have our set at, please feel free to email us at TheFOREXgroupLLC, all one word, at gmail.com. You may also search for us on Facebook, The Forex Group LLC, or simply shoot us an email and we'll be happy to send you a link to our page. But basically, folks, this is the professional way of using technical analysis to place your trades in either a buy or sell position. The EMAs are used not only for the Forex currency exchange markets of trading the currency pairs, but it is also used on the stock market as well. And again, this is what the professionals use. And as long as you place your trades only when the certain criteria that I have explained are met, you have a very, very high probability of a positive trade making a positive profit. So again, until next time, we'll be making more of these videos. This is only our second video, and we look forward to posting more. If you have any questions, comments, or anything you'd like us to explain in a video, please again shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to clarify anything in our next video or any video in the upcoming future. Thanks again for watching, and happy trading.